Today's episode, we're working on a 2016 Mustang 2.3 Ecoboost. We're doing the intercooler on it. So stay tuned and learn how this is done. You gotta remove the wheels, remove the fender liner removed, and the bolt up there removed. You're gonna take this cover off. It's just some clips, the plastic clips right there. And then you're just gonna take these 7 mils off. And after removing the 8 mils, these are extra 8 mils. You have 5.5 mils right here. And you gotta remove those also. And ta-da, the bumper is off. I'm gonna show you off the car. You had the bolt that goes through here into this bracket right here, but you have to get it from inside here. And then you got the clips on there at the bottom, bolts, all those holes you see. Make sure you disconnect your fog lights and your turn signals and all that. Next, gonna remove the one bolt here, one on that side, one right here in this crush bar, and then you have 2 clips right there and right there you have to remove. All right, and this sensor, ambient temp sensor, comes right out down, so make sure you take that off so you don't break it. Unplug it. All right, with it off, I'm gonna show you. It has this clip behind here. It's a pain in the butt to get to, but you have to take that off, and you have to take this connector off, which is right there, to take that off. After you have that off, remove this 2 bolts, and those 2 bolts is just this brace. You gotta remove this bracket from there, and from here it's 2 nuts. I already took them out, and that this is covering one of them, this plug thing right here. All right, next, just remove these clips off the crash bar to remove this plastic piece. All right, this plastic cover, it has a clip right there and a clip right there, if you see it right there. You gotta take those 2 clips to remove that, to access this bolt. This side, you just move this one to the side, and then this one, it should just slide out. And now I'm gonna remove the intercooler. Also, before I do that, actually, I have to loosen this clamp right here.
No tiene mucha agua, ¿verdad?
No. And that clamp right there. This is actually a 10 mil. Pop right out. You gotta jiggle it a little bit. Make sure you don't break these tabs though. You know, make sure you unplug that sensor that I told you earlier, and just remove it. All right, so old versus new. You gotta take off that sensor and put it on the other one. Okay, now to remove these clamps, they're actually hooked up onto there. It has marks right there. All you gotta do is take some pliers and bend those tabs on the yellow part and the green part out, and then remove those clamps, and then install the new T-bolt clamps that come with the kit, which I already installed, and they're looking fresh. All right, so what you gotta do is install the sensor on there. It comes with a new bolt. Then you just slide it on there, and then actually I'm gonna have to take that sensor back out, but then you're gonna install the other brackets, but you gotta mount it on first and tighten down the both clamps that it comes with, and then install the brackets. T-bolt clamps tight. Make sure you put them so you can see right here, you see a little, like it's inflating. You want that just so you can have that tight fitment, so you don't have no boost leaks. And same thing here. And I used a little bit of PV Blaster to make it easier to slide everything in. That's what you want to do. So now I'm going to install the brackets. All right, so it's installed now. I'll put the clamps, the brackets, that's how they should look. That brought a nut, so it goes in there. Slide it through, doesn't clip on anymore. And on this side, same thing. This one does bolt up, back up. So, all right, so she's fully installed. I showed you the brackets. Now I'm installing all the plastic pipes or plastic guards on the front. I connected that sensor, put that bolt in there, and now just putting everything back on. So just put everything back on how I showed you, and then you should have no problems. But always make sure, so you don't do all the work, to tighten those T-bolt clamps all the way so they can't go anymore, so you can get that tight fit. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow the Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to like the video. Peace.